Hi everyone, it's Will, the heart of Mak Tok. Today we'll be making one of the tastiest prawns dishes out there. It's called butter oat prawns.
I'm using some shelled prawns here because I love the crispy shells once it's fried. I never really liked oats when I was a kid, so my mom didn't really know what to do with them. Since she didn't want them to go to waste, she blitzed them in a food processor and used them oats as breadcrumbs. Also, oats are slightly cheaper than prawns back home, so my mom will kind of use the oats to bulk up the entire dish to make it look like there's tons of prawns in there for the family. Now I'm using some Great British Porridge companies because they are finer than most oats out there. Not only that, the strawberry and peanut butter gives the entire dish a nice nutty and sweet flavor. I'm also using our signature chili paste because it's perfect as a marinade for prawns. It further enhances the umami flavor and gives the prawns just the right amount of spice. And trust me, once coated with the oats, they're no longer spicy. Promise you that. I'm using unsalted butter here because that was the only butter I have in the fridge, but if you have the salted ones, even better. Now this dish is perfect on its own. You could also dip these prawns with some more signature chili paste like what I normally do. I usually just eat it whole, including the head. But if you're serving this to kids, just make sure you peel off the head and the shell before giving it to them. But enjoy!